Hey everyone, so I've just recently started up a new kit. So it has been quite a while, ever since 2019 or so, because I have lots of things to do, quite busy with my schedules. But I've just recently started this. Ta-da! So this is the BAe Hawk T.1 from the Red Arrows of the RoyalAir Force. So it's a 1/72 scale from Revell, and my brother actually bought this kit back in 2019 on June. So it was bought in the Edinburgh Aviation Museum. So yeah, I've just started not too long ago. So yeah, this is the progress for now. So I've just built the fuselage, the cockpits, and other miscellaneous items, including the exhaust unit as well. So the next step that I'll be doing is to paint the undercarriage of the Hawk T1, and it won't take long, but it'll dry for quite a while. So yeah, let's do this. Wish me luck. Before that, before I start, I also want to explain that after I paint the undercarriage of the wing, I'll be joining them up. I'll be actually joining them up with on the main fuselage for the main wing. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like after painting the undercarriage. So I painted it as white with AK colors, and right now, yeah, it'll take quite a while to dry. So, but it shouldn't be too long before I can join these undercarriage wings to the main wings. Yeah, we'll have to wait. Yeah, this is where it will be mounted to. Hey there, so this is how it looks like after I've painted the undercarriage as white underneath the wings. This is for the landing gear assembly later on. So yeah, it's time to fit these two onto the main wing.
Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. So right now I'll be using this. This is the fine abrasive paper. So the reason what happened was there's some parts where I actually touch some of the areas when I spray some gloss coat. For example like this. So you take a look closer, so there's some uneven contours. So I have to sand it off and then repaint it.